और भाई आयुष, अब तो आईपी मैट आने वाला है। अब तो तुम्हारी पढ़ाई वढ़ाई सब बढ़िया चल रही होगी।
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
अबे हट! आयुष को तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट अगर आपको फर्क पड़ता है देन एस आईपीएम इज लॉन्चिंग इट्स पिनिकल बैच फ्रॉम 15th of February exclusively for droppers. Now as a dropper, all of you would be at different walks of preparation. कुछ बच्चे होंगे who have not started their preparation. Well, आपको तो सच्ची में फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, but if in case you are serious about this examination, आपको फर्क पड़ना चाहिए. The time that is left right now, it's about roughly 3 months of time. That is more than sufficient for you to actually get through this examination. आपने already एक बार most likely exam दिया हुआ है. You understand what are your flaws. What is it, what are the areas that you need to work on, pattern क्या रहता है, कैसे topics आते हैं, question का level क्या रहता है. Put all of that knowledge to good use, prepare really hard for it, and you have a shot at this particular examination. And even if this does not work out, if your ultimate plan is giving CAT, so the preparation that you're doing for this examination right now is anyway eventually going to help you with your CAT preparation, as well as this forms the base of that. So that is there. Then there are people who have started their preparation, they are doing things, but consistency is an issue. Well, again, what you need to understand is there are also people who are giving their board examinations right now. अगर वो लोग भी मैनेज कर पा रहे हैं, उनमें से भी कुछ बच्चे आईपी मैट निकालेंगे, देन व्हाट इज योर एक्सक्यूज? आई अंडरस्टैंड, शायद आपके कॉलेज में अभी मार्क्स थोड़े से कम हो जाए. इफ यू वर टारगेटिंग अ 9 जीपीए, मे बी वो 9 की जगह अब 8 जीपीए आएगा. बट अगर उतना सैक्रिफाइस करके इफ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग, मैक्सिमाइजिंग योर चांसेस एट आईपी मैट, आई थिंक इट्स अ फेयर ट्रेड फॉर 1 सेमेस्टर, बिकॉज यू कैन एनीवे कॉम्पनसेट फॉर दैट इन द रिमेनिंग 4, and anyway this preparation that you do is going to be helpful for your CAT preparation as well. Then there are people जिन्होंने preparation कर ली है, they are giving their mocks right now, and what they feel like is कि यार मैं तो दे रहा हूँ, मेरा इतना स्कोर आ रहा है, बट कोई और बच्चा है, मेरा दोस्त है, उसका स्कोर ज़्यादा आ रहा है, और they see the leaderboard and they are nowhere to be found. Well, again, you have sufficient time. आपने preparation कर लिया, you are already at a level ahead of all the other people. All you need to do is just give the mocks, analyze them, understand your weakness, work on that, keep on revising, and eventually increasing the marks, maximizing the marks is a process in itself, but you have time to make sure that is actually happening and you are scoring really well in the final exam as well. Now, to understand that how this particular batch works, the Pinnacle batch, what we have done is we have devised a plan which will work for every single student, right? So it does not matter कि आपने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा है, although अभी तक आपने पढ़ लेना चाहिए था, but या फिर आपने सब कुछ पढ़ा है, तो सारे बच्चों के लिए there is something to benefit in this particular batch. आप खुद से prepare कर रहे हैं, well and good, kudos to you. अगर वो सही चल रहा है तो बढ़िया है, but if in case you need that extra assistance, that extra push from our side, we are going to be there at every step of the way into making sure that you are actually getting into your dream IIMs. Now, how do we assure that is happening? You will have live classes 4 days in a week. That will be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. In these 4 days, you will have 7 live classes in total. 3 of quants, 2 of verbal ability, and 2 of logical reasoning. In addition to this, you'll also have 1 mock every single week that you will have to give compulsorily. In these classes, we are not going to cover the conceptual basics per se, because my assumption over here is that the number of people who have not done anything at all would be very limited. So what we have rather done is कि आप लोगों ने काफी syllabus कर लिया होगा. In this batch, we would rather focus on the revision and the practice aspect. Now at the same time, I also understand कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप लोगों ने conceptual शायद कोई टॉपिक नहीं हुआ और उस टॉपिक की क्लास चल रही है, तो the schedule is going to be devised in such a manner that you will have some prerequisite tasks. अगर आपने वो जो टॉपिक है पहले नहीं करा हुआ है, पहले उसके लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे हुए हैं, you will have all those available in our ACE-IPM portal as well. You can watch those lectures before coming to this class, and once you have done that, once you have created the base, is when you enter the class and reap maximum benefits out of it. In these classes, we are not going to be attacking individual topics per se, but we'll go module wise. Especially in the case of quants, we would rather focus on arithmetic as a whole rather than doing time and work, time, speed, distance separately, because time that is left is limited. So the way it will happen is that every week would be assigned to a particular module. So for example, अगर अभी arithmetic week चल रहा है, तो the 3 classes that will happen, these 3 classes will focus specifically on all the topics, revising their concepts and practicing a lot of questions. एंड एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर, आपने अगर अरिथमेटिक नहीं करा है तो आपके लिए प्री रिक्विजिट टास्क अवेलेबल है जिससे आप अपना बेस भी बना सकते हैं बिफोर कमिंग टू दीज क्लासेस. दिस इज हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर सिलेबस इज गोइंग टू गो ऑन. लास्ट में जाके आपका क्रैश कोर्स की क्लासेस और जो मैराथन क्लासेस हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट विल ऑल्सो बी अवेलेबल टू यू, बट दिस इज हाउ वी प्लान ऑन प्रोग्रेसिंग विद द सिलेबस. इसके साथ साथ जो हमारे स्टैंडर्ड फीचर्स रहते हैं विद एवरी बैच, दैट इज अवेलेबल विद दिस पर्टिकुलर बैच एज वेल. That will include doubt solving assistance over WhatsApp, mentorship assistance over Zoom when you can sit and talk with a senior from an IIM, currently in IIM Indore or Rohtak, and discuss your preparation strategy, all the questions that you have about IPM and the preparation aspect of it. इसके साथ साथ आपकी interview preparation is also something that we take care of. आपके मॉक्स जो रहेंगे, एस मॉक्स का पूरा बंडल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स, सो यू डोंट हैव टू रन अराउंड एंड परचेज द मॉक सेपरेटली. ऑल ऑफ इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर बंडल. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट इज देयर. टॉपिक टेस्ट हो गए, सेक्शनल टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट, सो यू हैव plenty of questions to practice, you have plenty of videos available in terms of clearing your conceptual doubts. जो भी आपका practice revision वाला aspect रहेगा, that will be taken care of in these live classes, and that is how this entire course is going to run. Now one thing which is different in this year's batch is that we are offering it as an offline learning opportunity too. So the way it'll work is कि हमारा online तो सारे standard जो features हैं, all of that is available to you anyway. The reason why we have started this offline batch over here at Sector 2 Noida, it is just 2 minutes walk away from Sector 15 Noida metro station, which is in blue line. So if in case you're somebody who is living in and around Delhi NCR, or you plan on joining it as a residential batch, that is available as an option. And the reason why we would want somebody to join an offline batch over online is if in case you feel like consistency is an issue with you, because हम online आपको जितना भी push कर लें, there is always a physical barrier which is going to be between you and me. In the case of offline batch, however, we can really push you to achieve your goals. आपको यहाँ पर आना है सिर्फ क्लासेस के लिए नहीं, आप क्लासेस के पहले भी आ सकते हैं, क्लासेस के बाद तक रुक सकते हैं. जिस दिन क्लास नहीं हो रही है उस दिन भी you can come over here and use it as a library. You can study over here, you will have your peers, so there will be a healthy competition going on. You will have the faculties available, so कोई भी doubt है, you don't have to post it in the group. You can just directly ask it with the faculty one-on-one. If in case कोई mentorship requirement भी है, we have the entire team is available over here to assist you with the same. I am also going to be sitting here. कोई भी और question है प्लानिंग रिलेटेड, कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें हम यहाँ पर थोड़े बेटर वे में आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. और स्पेशली अगर कंसिस्टेंसी इज एन इशू तो हम वी कैन रियली पुश यू टू मेक श्योर कि आप जितना भी चीज़ें आपको बोला जा रहा है वो पढ़ रहे हैं, अपने लेवल से एक ऊपर जाके ही पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, एंड यू आर गिविंग योर ऑल इन टू दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन. सो दैट ऑप्शन इज अवेलेबल. कोई भी दिक्कत होती है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन होते हैं आपको इसके बारे में, यू कैन बुक अ फ्री काउंसलिंग सेशन ऑन ACE-IPM's वेबसाइट. द लिंक विल बी डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. द बैच विल स्टार्ट, द लाइव क्लासेस विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 15th of Feb, although the prerequisite tasks will start from 13th of Feb itself, because you need a couple of days to do those things before joining the class. So that is how the entire schedule is like. If in case you want to join, we completed 4 years of inception of ACE-IPM last month. So we have the promo code available, which is B-Day sale, using which you can get additional discount. I really look forward to seeing all of you as a part of the batch, especially the ones जो offline join करेंगे. I'll have to, I'll get to interact with them daily. So that is going to be really fun, and we'll make sure that you are giving your best to this exam, and we are also giving you the best in terms of the content that we have been offering. And this is the exact same content which has resulted in 800 plus IIM selections, 40 from our course in IIM Indore last year alone. उन 40 में से भी, if you look at the top 10 AIRs of IIM Indore, 6 were our students, and of those 6 students, 4 were droppers. So ऐसा कोई biasness नहीं होता है against droppers कि आप dropper हो तो आपका selection नहीं हो सकता, या फिर chances कम हैं. आप अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे, if you're giving your best to this exam, then nothing can stop you from getting into IIM Indore. So that's about it. I'll see you in another one. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and let's say IPM. Thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.